Buju Banton headlines his first show since serving 8 years in a US prison for drug charges. Buju Banton's official welcome home party held a day before the concert at Mass Camp. Come Chat With Me was in Jamaica to capture this historic event. You're watching Come Chat With Me, a Caribbean lifestyle magazine, and I'm your host, Ziggy Bless. Mark Anthony Myrie, aka Buju Banton, was born the youngest of 15 children on July 15, 1973, in the poor neighborhood of Salt Lane in Kingston. He started DJing at the age 13 and began recording music soon after. Buju got his big break in 1992 with Stamina Daddy and broke Bob Marley's record for the most #1 singles in a single year with his debut album, Mr. Mention. Banton won Grammy Awards for Best Reggae Album in 2009 and 2011 respectively for the album Rastas Got Soul and Before the Dawn. In 2011, Banton was convicted for cocaine trafficking. He was sentenced to 10 years in US prison. Buju Banton's Long Walk to Freedom concert, one of the biggest music events in Jamaica's history, was held at Kingston National Stadium, marking the reggae icon's return to the stage after 8 years in a Florida prison. The stadium was packed, nearly reaching its 35,000 person capacity. Yeah man, you don't know Ziggy Bless, I was say come chat to me. We're in the house. I don't know the official welcome party for Buju Banton, Long Walk to Freedom. Yeah man, and the thing mad right now. You don't know say tomorrow National Stadium no good again. So keep it like come chat with me. We're there. Boom boom.
Hi everybody. Come chat with me about Buju. Right now we're at the Buju concert. Well, not the Buju concert, the pre-concert. It's gonna be wicked. If you're not coming tomorrow, you're gonna miss out. Look at all the fun we're having. You guys should be here right now. I came all the way from Toronto and it's worth every dollar I spent. Well worth it.
Yo, what's up people? We're up on some historical ground right now. Pre-Buju Banton concert. This is ROBBO from London, UK. You know the voice, you know the radio show, ROBBORANX.com. And you know right now you're watching Come Chat With Me.
Hey, Natasha Baroda here from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Down here working for Helping Hands Jamaica Foundation, but came a few days early to witness history. Buju Banton tomorrow night in the stadium. Wagwan. One love.
Hey, so I took the trip here in Jamaica, my hometown, my home country, just to see Buju. I had to make it. I live in Florida, and I'm just a big Buju fan. And I mean, I wouldn't miss this for nothing.
You already know Master B 97 Barbican is on the check-in all the way from 718, but we in 876. We call it Kingston, Jamaica. You already know why we here. Well, not only the weather, not only the music, not only the beautiful people. We're here for Buju Banton. It's all about Buju Banton's show tomorrow. But tonight we're in Mass Camp. Master B's playing Job on Chutney, and it's all about Buju tomorrow, right? Yep. Buju tomorrow. So it's going to be crazy.
You don't know, a I represent Massive B Sound at 97 New York City, live in the place we call Kingston, Jamaica. And I be here love and I be here vibes. Tomorrow history, seeing a National Stadium for the Gargamel, Buju Banton and so much great artists. Blessed love. All the people from Brooklyn when afraid to go nowhere Brooklyn, but some Brooklyn gunshot inside of
My name is Patrice and I'm traveling from New York. I'm so excited. I'm here to see Buju. It's been forever and the anticipation has been building and it's finally the time. Tomorrow is going to be a historic moment and I'm so glad I get to be a part of it.
We're here to support Buju. I'm here from California, United States, by the way of Africa, Liberia.
And I'm here as well from the US, by the way of Guyana. I grew up on Buju. So this is like everything for me. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. It's going to be epic.
We can't wait for tomorrow. We love you, Buju.
We're going to have fun tonight.
is Jody, and I travel from Atlanta to Kingston, Jamaica to experience Buju Banton. This is so nostalgic for me. I grew up on this music. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to support him and his entire crew and family, and I just can't wait for tomorrow.
Anybody from Florida there? Tell Barrington Evening Summer play at National Stadium.
Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God, glory to thee.
I'm traveling all the way from New York to come to this show. Buju Banton is very important to me. He's my most favorite reggae artist of all time, and I'm talking including Bob Marley. Buju Banton is just the best. And I remember when I migrated to the US 18 years ago, I was very depressed, but it was Buju Banton's song that kept me grounded and in touch with my roots and my culture. And I tell you that I've been on this journey with Buju, so is absolutely no way that I could miss this concert. And I know this will be the best reggae show in modern history.
What's your name?
Ashley.
And you are?
Keisha.
And?
Stephanie.
Alright, where you travel from?
I'm from Canada. I'm here from Manhattan, New York.
Oh, and you are from?
Maryland.
So you could say you're a true Buju Banton fan?
Yes.
Sing a Buju Banton song for me. One Buju Banton.
When I stop crying, the all black woman.
You save them, alright, you save them.
Them a fan them off, them a box them off, them a telephone, we a fax them off, them a call up the rain for the girl them. Them a line in a phone that they, hey, just to get that, just to get that, just to get that, just to get that. Just to get that, just to get that.
Yeah man, come chat to me in the house. Buju Banton Long Walk to Freedom Tour. Ghost just perform earlier. Love the performance, brother. The vibe was right. Everything, man. What go on?
All praise to the Most High.
Yeah.
Because the vibe is here because of my friend Buju Banton, and
true.
It take my heart off.
Yeah.
For him, because a long time the whole place I wait for him.
Yeah.
Because you know that he's due for how long, over 10 years, the whole place don't see him.
True that.
And this is his first concert.
Yeah.
So you know I'm elated for him, and the whole fact that he is now bigger than 10 times than how he was.
We don't lie, we won't cheat. Don't tell me that you never be. You vows we take that we did not keep. I wish it not be. Girl, you lied to me. I'll tell you what's not true. See, we were lovers. Baby, take the sweet with the sunshine.
Jamaica, that I send Buju forward to me. This is in Jamaica, that I send Buju forward to me. No, after 8 years of trials and incarceration, some don't can't believe Buju still stands strong.
Every day I rise on prayer. It's all I got to take me through. Gonna be free like a bird in the sky. Gonna be free, gonna fly. Gonna be free, gonna free my mind. Oh. Life is so sweet and I don't wanna die, but this burden got big to be hard. Food scarce, so many trouble everywhere. Sometimes we make a move, we can't find no bus here. Go look for mama die, she said nothing on the dear. Happy you them face, I see the pain. Youth in a garden, youth in a jungle, youth in a river, awesome. Youth in a blank, then I be a camera, back to and watch. I know it's hard sometimes, but we not give up. Oh no, no, no.
Buju Banton Long Water Freedom Tour. I'm here with the lovely Itana, who performed earlier. How are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm great. It's an epic night. It's an Oversoul Stadium, and I'm happy to see the love and support that Buju is getting. It's incredible.
And to perform on a stage as a show as this on magnitude, you know what I mean? It's really great. How do you feel about that, especially?
It makes me feel for a second that I was not in Jamaica. I haven't seen the stadium this big for any musical event. And so I'm glad to be part of something great.
Leave people business alone. Wanna leave people business alone. Now listen up, you should have chatting, we can't live in peace. See what we done, run down, tell my daddies. I'm a chit chat, I promenade them, my kids. Oh Lord, see the hypocrites, them on God. That's true. You get them only before you see them. We talk about because they die on them. She left because she listen to them. When they must chit chat, promenade them, my yeah. Oh Lord, is that them all with people there.
How you feeling, man?
I'm feeling good. You know, it's just a blessing and an honor to be here.
Yeah.
You know, this is history.
Yeah.
We will never live to see a night like this again.
Yeah.
You know, because this is special. This is history. This is the first show after 10 years. So the other show that will come, it's not gonna be like this. It's not gonna be like this, to be honest with you. It's just amazing to see the amount of people that turn out to show him love and support, and it's a blessing to be a part of it.
No matter how we still now pack up, we can't forget the time they may not be a vibe. We keep back on the ends of the throat we are. Anytime we're hungry, it's a boat we go. What a thing when me partner drop. You know gonna walk to freedom and pure liquor. When me draw down pan a girl phone number, then they come over after that a boom boom. Anywhere we go.
Jamaica, and we no love that. We both it, so anytime I say we bleed for the love. So we bleed for the love, we not bleed for the light. So men them know success don't come overnight. And let them know substance overhype. Bleed for the love, Jamaica we love you. And none of them love. One love, Jack children.
My name is Shelly-Ann.
Shelly, you're a true Buju fan?
I am, definitely, without a doubt.
Where you travel from?
In Kingston area right here.
Okay, cool. And what's your name?
I'm Kadeen.
Real man, a real Buju fan, I say.
Yes, I am.
Which Buju you want here tonight? Which one you want here?
I want to hear Boom Bye Bye.
That's a fireball.
And guess what? I want to hear Driver.
All of the hits them. Full joy on yourself, alright?
Thank you so much.
Bless up, bless up. You alright?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm great, I'm great. What's your name?
Judy.
Judy. Are you a Buju Banton fan?
I've been a Buju Banton fan ever since, from 1992, Man for Dead.
Alright, where you travel from to come here? You're here from where?
Kingston.
Oh, you're from here?
Yeah.
So what Buju song you want here tonight?
All of them.
Alright, man. We love the vibes. Keep enjoying yourself, alright?
Yeah, man.
I've met Buju Banton many years since a young man, and I've been waiting patiently since last year for his release and for this particular night. Magic City is so appropriate because Kingston is like magic today. And I can't wait for the magic moment when Buju himself steps on stage. Too bad I'm not there for him to sweat all over me. But my favorite Buju song is It's Not an Easy Road. Them say the glamour and the guitar and them think of better roses. Who feels it knows.
From New York. I'm here for the Buju experience in the wonderful island of Jamaica. My favorite song of Buju is Driver.
My favorite song is, I guess, Driver. It's like an anthem. Whenever you're at a party, it just turns up instantly when you hear that song.
I am so happy for him.
Happy, definitely.
I am so happy for him. Know that he might reach a level of, you know, Baba or Michael and them something. Sure, yo, you let me know, man. Do it, no Buju. Do it, no man. Do it, no man. Do it, no man.
Yeah man, come chat to me. We're in the house. You don't know. Wonderful show. Buju Banton, Long Walk to Freedom. And we're there with SHILOH in the place. Welcome, brother.
Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty. We just want to big up my big brother Buju. Yeah man, welcome home Gargamel, and the show was electrifying, you know. Everyone did a great job tonight, you know. Sure. Yeah man, and we just want to bless up all of the artists that grace the stage, you know.
A real thing, man. A real thing. I know if you did got a chance to touch all the stage tonight, man, a fire blazing.
Boy, I mean, I tell a guy the energy real high, you know, cause we never need more than one piece, you know. One piece alone, you know. You just see it, you know. But we give Jah thanks with there. You understand me? I try to show you it's just all about new music and new energy and vibration. So we just want to tell the people them, keep it locked to come chat with me.
Thanks for watching Come Chat With Me. See you next week.
Ragamuffin reggae beat, dance all on the street, can't stand on their feet. 2030 we still a do it, every stage show we still a keep, every big song them a repeat, them a wrist button and them feet, them a clap hand. Look at them heart attacking our altar back, enough style we have them can't alter that. Me start to track and me start to talk. So what am I gonna do right after that? Me only speak lyrics, not really talk, I like to know touchdown like quarterback. For me go to the money, give me half of that. I'm gonna do it for the hype, I'm rather not. If me drive where I can beat, lay down like white life on street. Music sweet, I just like on cheap, edge of it hotter than island beat. You know me with the island floor, it could have been with the cell, I don't know. There's some people say I don't grow. Like a Balotelli. Yes, I'm a little bit of Balotelli. Give me the word of me, I'm sending me, say, I'm everybody's Saturday. Give me the rhythm, I chop it, I chop. Let me finish it, I get a drop. Nothing more,